we are. We got a tunnel. Oh my god. Woohoo! Whoa, my, look at this. Look at Tennessee, bro. These roads are crazy though. Like curvy as hell. The view is even better. Oh, it's so trippy, bro.
Turn right on.
We gotta get gas real quick. What the hell? What is that, bro? I don't even know what that is, but we're gonna get gas real quick. And then, I mean,
Turn right on Hartford Road.
it's really pretty out here, bro. But what is going on, man? We're back with another banger video, and today we in Tennessee. We got the Mustang and we got the BMW M340i. But hey, check this out, bro. This is where we staying, cuz it's gonna be lit as hell. We in the mountains, but let me show y'all what we on. Cause hey, bro, it's gonna be lit, bro. Look at this. Got the game. I don't even know what that's called. We got this right here. I want to show you the bottom floor first. Actually, let's go to top, bro. Let's go to top real quick. All right, so this thing way too big, bro. We got this middle floor, and then let me show you the view, though. Hold on, I'm not. Got this out here. It's a little porch. Got a hot tub out here. You already know. We finna bounce in that real quick.
You know how to open a thing?
Now we finna cook some food. What the hell, bro? I don't even know where it's what at this point. I'm just like, I don't know where I'm going. But it's a big hot tub right there. And there's like a little, I don't even know what that's called, bro. And we got the movie room right here. This is the best part. Right here, the theater room. And then, this is the, oh shit. Oh, let me put that back up, bro.
What'd you bring?
It just fell. Alright, check this out, bro. Hey, what's up? What's going on? I'm playing pool already. Yo, does this all work? We need to turn it on. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
You gotta turn on all those switches.
Oh, okay. I bet. Oh, that's like a car racing one? Oh. But, look at this. What is that? Yeah, how do you play this? Do you like put the ball in there? Oh, that's cool. Oh, where'd it go? Hey, yo, here we are. Hey, here we are in the pool. You already know. What's good? We got the midget, got the nail, got Goons with the beamer. Drink some water. But hey, we having fun. We start the campfire. I try to record much, but hey, just trying to have fun while I'm here. But I'm gonna record the drive on the way back, because that's gonna be really dope. Yeah. Alright, Goons, you better get this. Hey, if you don't catch, it's gonna go down the mountain. Yeah.
Fucking go, baby!
Hey, watch out! Oh shit! Alright, we're gonna head out. It's so loud here, like you don't even think. Some POV in the Mustang, you already know. You can see, right? Make sure my camera is good in the back. Bro, where did they go that fast? See him. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh my god. Alright, so as of the steering wheel from Dana Performance, it's still being made. It's not here yet. It's probably gonna take another couple of weeks to be made because it is a custom steering wheel, and I guess it takes them a long time to make it. And I wanted some really specific things on there, like the red carbon thumb rest. When you guys see the steering wheel, you guys gonna know. But when that comes in, it's gonna be amazing because that's the best car mod I've ever done on my scat.
Who knows? We're fucked. We're fucked.
When the tires weren't well, we would be straight. Motherfucker. Crazy though. Oh my god. Nice. Holy shit. That's fucking ass. Yeah. No, that's good though. Like, it's probably because it's wet.
It's always like that. If it's like below like 60,
yo.
Because remember when I went to the gym and I fought it? We were like that.
Yeah. They should be a little warmed up after that little spin.
It still needs a lot more.
Hopefully my GoPro don't fall off. Yeah, that'd be funny. Oh shit. Woo. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god, bro, my eyes are watery. My camera. Slow down.
The bears are coming.
Oh. Bro. Oh my god, I hope they didn't fucking wreck her. Oh my god! Yo! Oh shit! Bro, eyes are so watery. Dang, bro, that water pretty. Full sun right here, watch. Yo. Oh. Yo. Oh my god. I hope I'm not supposed to slow down because I'm sending it, bro. I'm sending it. Oh, this is lit. Oh my god. I hope I didn't drop anything. Oh my god. Oh shit. guys. Now look at that idiot. Look at him. I watch this. Yo, you know why it's slipping?